Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we're gonna have Spanish chicken and rice. Really easy, really inexpensive, and so good. What you're gonna need is a little bit of lard or shortening or something to brown up your chicken and veggies with. You'll need some bouillon, some chicken bouillon. You'll need some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Obviously some chicken and some rice. And then about 1.5 cups of carrots and about 1.5 cups of onions. Okay, we're gonna get us a medium flame. Medium flame. Gonna set that Dutch oven up there. Y'all, this is a Parmesan Dutch oven. I love it. And I'm gonna put just enough lard in here to brown my chicken. I don't need a whole lot because then I'm gonna have to drain it out anyway. So just put a little bit in there. Alright, first off, we're gonna get our chicken out on the cutting board. Not that I'm gonna do any cutting, but I need to get it all seasoned up before I put it in the pan while that oil's getting hot. And I need to kind of hustle because I don't want it to get too hot. Lard, not oil. I don't know why I said oil. Anyway, we're gonna salt the chicken very lightly. Well, I guess it is outside. Very lightly, because I'm going to use that bouillon and I don't want to make my dish too salty, but I don't want my chicken to not have any flavor either, while because I'm going to fry it first. Alright, that was salt, pepper, alright, then we're going to throw a little garlic. Actually, I guess that's a lot of garlic, huh? It's okay. Garlic's good for you. It's good as medicine. Now we're going to flip that. We're going to do it again. Alright. Salt again. Okay, alright. A little more pepper. Into the pan it's going to go. Okay, now we're going to put it in the pan, skin side down. Because these are whole thighs, not boneless, skinless. You can use boneless, skinless. But I can't get the 5 of them in there. Alright, I'm going to make this fit. We'll get it in there. It'll brown, hopefully. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes or so. So now I'm going to check it, and I have browning. So now we're going to flip it over, and we're going to brown that other side. Okay, another 5 minutes. They're nice and brown. We're going to go ahead and take them out. They are nowhere near done. These are chicken thighs. This is not done chicken by any means. I just browned it. Okay, now I'm going to add those onions and the carrots. And we'll get those partially soft. Okay, and round we go. Get them all mixed up. Just let them simmer a minute. Okay, now we're going to get our like super mix ready. We need 3 cups of water. We need 3 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Or you can just, if you have your own broth or store-bought, whatever. It's just, we're going to make some chicken broth. So I need I have 3 cups of water, so I need 3 teaspoons of bouillon. Then I need about 1.5. It don't want to come out. Okay. Let's not do it that way. Let's do it this way. The half fits down in there. So I need 1.5 teaspoons. So there we go there. And then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Alright, we're just going to give that a stir and get it all good and combined. Now when the kids were little, I did not put garam masala in it. So if you don't have that, don't worry about it. It just lends it this really, I don't know how to explain it, like this deep undertone. It's so good, so good. So if you have it, use it. If you don't have it, it's good without it. But that's it. We're just going to give that, you know, it's all dissolved and ready to go. And they are almost ready too. See, they're starting to get translucent a little bit, and I'm not worried about the carrots getting that way. They'll cook once I put the rice in. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and take all that out, and we're just going to drop it right there on that chicken to save me a bowl. Okay, now what I'm going to do is kind of get some of that lard out of there. I mean, I'm not going to take it all out. I like a little flavor. But I did fry in it, and that was quite a bit. But that looks good right there. Now I'm going to put my stock. There we go. We're going to start deglazing the bottom of that pan. Okay, I've got my pan deglazed. Feels real good down there. So we're gonna add that chicken back. And we're gonna put it skin side up this time. Oops. And we're going to put all those veggies in there. Kind of get them all distributed around the pan. Now that everything's in the pot, except my rice, I'm going to put it up on high and let it come up to a boil. And then I'll put my rice in as soon as it boils. Now it's time to add that 1.5 cups of rice. Yes, 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 we are nearly there. Now we're going to drop it back down to medium. Now that it's on medium, I'm going to leave it there with the lid. I'm going to put the lid on it and I'm going to let it cook about 10 minutes. When my 10 minutes is up, I'm dropping it to low and then finish the rice cooking. That's it. Okay, we're going to check. And I don't have a whole lot of liquid on top, so I'm going to put the lid back on it, and now it goes down to low just to finish cooking that chicken. There we go. My liquid is all absorbed. Okay, now after I turned it down on the low, I let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I turned the eye completely off and just let it cook with residual heat with the lid still on it. Now all the juice is absorbed into the rice, and we're gonna serve it up. We're gonna go down in there. Look at that. Oh yeah, nice little piece of chicken, lots of rice and carrots.